Title: The Journey of Donald Trump. Once upon a time, in New York City, a boy named Donald John Trump was born on June 14, 1946. He was the fourth of 5 children in a family that valued hard work and success. His father, Fred Trump, was a successful real estate developer, and young Donald grew up immersed in the world of business. As a child, Donald was ambitious and energetic. He attended the New York Military Academy, where he learned discipline and leadership. After high school, he moved to Philadelphia to study economics at the Wharton School of the University of Pennsylvania. It was there that he honed his business acumen and developed a keen interest in real estate. After graduating in 1968, Donald joined his father's business, Elizabeth Trump and Son. He quickly realized that he wanted to take the business in a new direction. In 1971, he took control and renamed it the Trump Organization. His first big project was the renovation of the Commodore Hotel in Manhattan, which he turned into the luxurious Grand Hyatt. Throughout the 1980s, Trump expanded his empire, developing properties, including Trump Tower, a symbol of his brand's rise to fame. His charisma and larger-than-life personality made him a media sensation. He ventured into various businesses, including casinos and golf courses, and even produced television shows like The Apprentice. His catchphrase, "You're fired," became iconic, solidifying his status in pop culture. However, Trump's journey was not always smooth. He faced significant challenges, including financial difficulties in the early 1990s, when several of his businesses went bankrupt. Yet, he was resilient. He used his trademark boldness to bounce back, rebranding himself and his businesses. His comeback included various lucrative deals and the creation of the Trump brand known worldwide. In 2015, Donald Trump announced his candidacy for President of the United States. His campaign was marked by controversial statements and an unconventional approach. Many were skeptical, but he rallied a large following by promising to make America great again. Against the odds, he won the Republican nomination and faced former Secretary of State Hillary Clinton in the 2016 election. His presidential victory in November 2016 shocked the political world. Throughout his term, Trump focused on immigration reform, tax cuts, and deregulation. His presidency was polarizing, with passionate supporters and fierce critics. He also faced numerous investigations and impeachment trials, but he maintained a strong base, often communicating directly with the public through social media. In 2020, Trump ran for re-election amidst the COVID-19 pandemic. Despite a hard-fought campaign, he lost to Democrat Joe Biden. After leaving office, Trump continued to be a significant figure in the Republican Party, inspiring discussions about political strategy and leadership. Donald Trump's life is a story of ambition, resilience, and controversy. He transformed from a young boy in New York into a global brand and a prominent political figure. Love him or loathe him, his impact on America and the world is undeniable, and his journey continues to inspire many.